Did you know there's a killer lake in Africa? Lake Nyos holds deadly carbon dioxide beneath its surface. When it suddenly erupts, it releases a toxic cloud, suffocating everything nearby. Did you know in the Amazon rainforest, there's a river that boils? The Timpishka River reaches 100 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook anything that falls in. Did you know there's a cave in Turkey that has been burning for over 2,500 years? Known as the Chimaera, this cave constantly releases methane gas, fueling an eternal flame. Follow for more.